students, now we are going to discuss about the divisibility by 9 and divisibility by 10. Then how to check if a given number is divided by 9 or not. If a number is divided by 9 or not, how to check. Here, so in 3 table, so we added all the digits. In the same way, in 9 table also we should add all the digits. We should add all the digits. If the sum of the digits divisible by 9, then the number is also divisible by 9. Same pattern in 3 table, how we did, the same pattern is there for 9 table also. There is no change, but there the sum should divided by 3, here the sum should divided by 9. This is the difference. Now here, if sum of all the digits of given number divisible by 9, then the number also divisible by 9. The number also divisible by 9. For example, now here 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 6, 16, 16 plus 1, 17, 17 plus 1, 18. Now add all the digits, sum of the digits, sum of the digits. 3 plus 2 plus 5 plus 6 plus 1 plus 1. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 6, 16, 16 plus 1, 17, 17 plus 1, 18. 18 is divided by 9. Why? 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are 18. 18 is divisible by 9. So this number is also divided by 9. 18 is divisible by, so the number also divided by divisible by 9. So in this way, so like in 3 table, how we checked adding all the digits, in the same way for 9 table also we have to add all the digits. If all the digits, sum of all the digits divided by 9, then the number is also divided by 9. This is the condition. Then check. If you want to check, then check. First we take 3, 2, 5, 6, 1, 1 divided by 9. 9. 9 3s are 27. 5 left, 55. 9 6s are 54. 1 left and this 6. 9 1s are 9. 7 left and this 1. 9 6s are 9 7s are 63. 63 and 8 left and this 1. 9 9s are 81. Like this it is divisible by 9. So in 9, if sum of all the digits, we have to take sum of all the digits. If sum of all the digits divisible by 9, then the number is also divisible by 9. Otherwise it is not divided by 9. If you want to check, then take a given number and check using 9 table. Okay. So it is a shortcut then how to find a given number is divisible by 9 or not without doing any division. So using this shortcut method, so we can say it is divisible by 9 or not. Then divisible by 10. Divisible by 10, this is also very easy. 10 table, if I ask anybody to say 10 table, 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, like 5 table. 5 table, the students, you feel very easy. Why? Because 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5 will come last. In 10 table, all zeros will come 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 in last place. In ones place, all zeros are there. So that is why the students, you feel very easy 10 table. So in divisibility, last means once digit is 0, then the number is divisible by 10. Here, if ones place of a number is 0, then the number is divisible by 10. For example, 23750, 23750. Here in the last place 0 is there. In the last place 0 is there. If in the last place 0, then the number is divisible by 10. In ones place, zero is there, so it is divided by, it is divisible by 10. It is divisible by 10. If last place means that is in ones place, if 0 is there, then the number is divisible by 10. Check. Take this number 23750, divide by 10. 10 twos are 20, 3 and this 7, 10 threes are 30 and this 7, this 5, 10 sevens are 70, 5 and this 0, 10 fives are 50. In this way we have to decide either the given number is divisible by 10 or not. Once again we recapitulate what we learned, how to decide without doing any division the given number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. 8, 9, 10. Yes, now. So divisibility rules from 2 to 10 we discuss. So in this one worksheet is given. So in this worksheet, so we have to check either these numbers, given numbers, these numbers are divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. So in which table it's divisible? If it is divisible, make a tick, otherwise leave the box. So first, digit sum. First find the digit sum. 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 is equal to 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 8, 15. First find sum and keep aside. Then after that, here 1, 2, 4, 8, it is an even number, divisible by 2. It is divisible by 2. Then 3, sum of the digits 15, sum of the digits 15, so it is divisible by 3, so this is also divisible by 3. 4, this last 2 digits, in 4 table we have to check last 2 digits, 48, 48 divisible by 4, so it is also divided by 4. In 5 table, if last digit is 0 or 5, then only it is divisible by 5. Here there is no 0, no 5, so it is not divided by 5. Then leave that. Then 6. If a number is divided by 2 and 3, then it is divided by 6. Here it is divided by 2 as well as 3, so it is divided by 6. Then 8. In 8, last 3 digits we have to check. 248. 248. It is divided by 3. It is divided by 8. So this number is also divided by 8. Then in 9 table, sum of the digits 15. Here 15 is not there in 9 table, so it is not divided by 9, leave it. Then in 10, last digit should be 0. Here there is no 0, so it is not divided by 10. So then in the last column, numbers divisible by what? It is divided by 2 and 3, next 4, next 6 and 8. In these 5 tables, this number is divided by. Then in the second question, 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. Then after that 2. It is not divided by 2. Why? Because this is odd number. This is odd number. In 3 table, 6 will come in 3 table, so it is divided by 3. 4 table, last 2 digits. So here 15 is there. 15 is not there in 4, it is not divided by 4. In 5, last digit is 5, so it is divided by 5. In 6 means if a number is divided by 2 and 3, here it is not divided by 2, so it is not divided by 6. In 8 also, it is not come in 8 table. In 9 also it is not. In 10 also it is not. Why? Because in the last digit there is no 0. In which number it divides? 3 and 5. 3 and 5. In these 2 tables it will divide. In these 2 tables it will divide. Next, 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. First we have to check in 2 table. In 2 table it is even number, so it is divided by 2. In 3 table 7 will not come, sum of the digits, so it won't cancel. In 4 table 4 4 the 16 it will come. Then in 5 table last digit is there is no 0 or 5, so it is not. 16. In 9 table it won't come. In 10 table it won't come because last digit is not 0, so it is not divided by 10. Then 2 4 8. 2 4 and 8. Then 27. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. First, it is odd number, it is not divided by 2. 3, sum of the digits 9, so it is divided by 3. 4, 27 won't come in 4. 6 table, if it is divided by 2 and 3, it divided by 6. But here it is not divided by 2, so it is not divisible by 6. And 8, in 8 it won't come. Then 9, it come 9. Sum of the digits 9 ones are 9, so it is there in 9 table. In 10 table there is no 0 in the last column, so it is not divisible by 10. So only 3 and 9. 3 and 9. In these 2 tables only it will divide. Then after that 57. 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7, 12. 57 is odd, so it is not divided by 2, and 12 will come in 3 table, so it is divided by 3. In 4 table it won't come last 2 digits. 6 table it won't come. Why? Because it is not divided by 2. 8 table it won't come. 9 table 12 will not come. 10 table it won't come. Only in 3 table. Only 3. Next, 102. 1 plus 0 plus 2 is equal to 3. It is even number, so it is divided by 2. It is divided by 2. 3, sum of the digits 3, so it is divided by 3. 4, last 2 digits 0 2. It won't comes in 4 table, so it is not divided by 4. 5, there is no 5 0 in the last, so it is not divided by 5. And 6, it divides 2 and 3, so it is divided by 6. 8, in 8 table last 3 digits. This last 3 digits not divided by 8, so it won't divided by 8. 9, sum of the digits here 3, there is no 3 9 table, see, so it won't comes in 9 table. 10, there is no 0 in last place, so it is not divided by 10. Only 2, 3, 6. 2, 3 and 6. Next, 144. 1 plus 4 plus 4. It is 9. 144 is an even number. It is divided by 2. 9. Here 9 it divides in 3. So it is divided by 3. 4. Last 2 digits 44. 44 comes in 4. So it is divided by 4. 5. There is no 0 or 5 in last. So it won't cancel in 5. 6 table. It divides in 2 and 3. So it divides in 6 also. In 8. Last 3 digits we have to check. Last 3 digits are divided by 8 once you check. So this is also divided by 8. In 9, sum of the digits 9. So 9 is divided by 9. So it divided by 9. Then 10, there is no 0 in the last. So it won't divide with 10. So which table? 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 6, 8 and 9. In these 3 tables, so it will divide. Next, 225. 2 plus 2 plus 5. 2 plus 2 plus 5 is equal to 9. It is an odd number. It won't cancel. It won't divide in 2 tables. And 3 table, here sum is 9. It is divided by 3. 4 last 2 digits won't divided by 4, so it won't divided by 4. Next 5, last digit is 5, so it is divided by 5. Next 6, if it's divided by 2 and 3, here it is not divided by 2, so it won't divide with 6. Next 8, last 3 digits, it won't divided with 8, so it won't divide. Then 9, sum of the digits here 9. It divides with 9. 10, there is no last digit 0, so it won't. Only how many places? 3, 5 and 9. It divides with 3, 5 and 9. Then next 195. Here 1 plus 9 plus 5. 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. First, 195 is an odd number, so it won't divide. And 15 is divisible by 3, so it is also divisible by 3. 4, last 2 digits are not divided by 4, it won't divided by 4. For 5, last is 5, so it is divided by 5. And for 6, if it is divided by 2 and 3, here it is not divided by 2. So it is not divided by 6. For 8, last 3 digits. No, these are not divided by 8. Then 9, sum of the digits, they are 15. So 15 is not divisible by 9. So it is not divided by 9. For 10, the last place, there is no 0. It won't divide with 10. Only 3 and 5. 3 and 5. So here 7 plus 1 plus 2 plus 0. 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 2 10. 10. This is even number, 0 is even, so this number is even, so it is divided by 2. Sum of the digits 10, it is not divided by 3, so it is not divided by 3. Then for 4, last 2 digits divided by 4, so it is also divided by 4. 5, last number is 0, so it is divided by 5. Then 6, if a number is divided by 2 and 3 only, it is divided by 6. Here there is no 3, so it is not divided by 6. And 8, last 3 digits, last this 120 is divided by 8. So this number is also divided by 8. 9, here 10, sum of the digits 10, so it won't divide with 9. Then 10, last digit is 0, so it is divided by 10. Then 2, 4, 5, 8, and 10. Now, here 4 plus 5 plus 1 plus 8. 4 plus 5, 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 18. See in this 4, 5, 1, 8, it is even, it is divisible by 2. Sum of the digits 18, so it is divisible by 3, so this is divisible by 3. 4, last 2 digits, not divided by 4, so this number is not divided by 4. Then 6. If the number is divisible by 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6. 5, there is no 5. Why? Because here in the last place there is no 0 or 5. So it is not divided by 5. Next, 8. These last 3 digits are not divided by 8. So this number is not divided by 8. 9 also, sum of the digits 18. So it is divided by 9. For 10, there is no 0 in the last. So it is not divisible by 10. Then here 2, 3, 6 and 9. So for this, more questions were there in your textbook. That remaining questions you have to do as your homework according to our divisibility test. Apply your divisibility test and check in which table it is divisible by that number or not.